Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Correct answer is A. Indira Gandhi. Pouring petrol on which creature can kill it? A. Scorpion. B. Cockroach. C. Snake. Correct answer is A. Scorpion. Which creature has the largest heart in the world? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Giraffe. Correct answer is B. Blue whale. The size of a blue whale's heart is equivalent to what? A. A small car. B. A refrigerator. C. A motorcycle. Correct answer is A. A small car. How far can the sound of a blue whale's exhalation be heard? A. 1 kilometer. B. 3 kilometer. C. 5 kilometer. Correct answer is B. 3 kilometer. What type of creature is the blue whale? A. Fish. B. Mammal. C. Amphibian. Correct answer is B. Mammal. What is the average weight of a blue whale? A. 50,000 kilogram. B. 1 lakh kilogram. C. 1,50,000 kilogram. Correct answer is B. 1 lakh kilogram. Who first declared India's independence? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Subhas Chandra Bose. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is B. Subhas Chandra Bose. Who was the first female Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Pratibha Patil. Correct answer is A. Indira Gandhi. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Pacific Ocean. Correct answer is C. Pacific Ocean. Which country produces the most gold? A. China. B. Australia. C. Russia. Correct answer is A. China. Which is the hottest planet? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Mars. Correct answer is B. Venus. Which state in India is called the fruit basket? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Uttarakhand. C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Himachal Pradesh. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Kaveri. Correct answer is B. Godavari. Which is the largest delta in India? A. Ganges Delta. B. Mahanadi Delta. C. Krishna Delta. Correct answer is A. Ganges Delta. Which metal is found in the highest quantity? A. Iron. B. Aluminum. C. Copper. Correct answer is A. Iron. Which metal is the most valuable? A. Gold, B. Platinum, C. Rhodium. Correct answer is C. Rhodium. Which planet is the farthest? A. Uranus, B. Neptune, C. Pluto. Correct answer is B. Neptune. Which is the oldest port in India? A. Mumbai Port, B. Chennai Port, C. Kolkata Port. Correct answer is C. Kolkata Port.